Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a calendar in Atlassian Confluence. We'll start from the Confluence overview area where you can access the pages in your space. From here, look to the left-hand navigation panel and select the page labeled Sample Page. This opens the page where you'll begin building your calendar layout. Once the page is open, click into the sample blank space so the editor becomes active. This is where you'll add the structure for your calendar. If you're new to Confluence, this editor uses quick commands to insert different elements, which makes setting up a layout fast and simple. Next, type /table into the page. As you type, Confluence will display matching content options. From that menu, choose Table. This inserts a table tool that you can use to build the basic framework of your calendar. After selecting Table, hover your mouse over the table size grid to create the number of rows and columns you need. This is an important part of shaping the calendar. For example, you may want enough columns to represent the days of the week and enough rows to cover the dates in the month. Take a moment here to choose a layout that fits the calendar view you want to create. With the table inserted, click across the top row and type the names of the week. This row acts as the header for your calendar and helps organize the rest of the information clearly. Keeping these labels consistent makes the calendar easier to scan later, especially if you'll be sharing the page with teammates. Now begin entering the dates into the table cells below the header row. Add each date in the appropriate position so the layout resembles a standard calendar format. It can help to move row by row as you fill it in, which reduces mistakes and keeps the structure neat. After the dates are in place, continue by following the on-screen procedure shown in Confluence. Depending on your setup, this may involve adjusting the formatting, reviewing the table placement, or making any final edits needed to complete the calendar. The key here is to use the prompts visible in the editor to finish the layout cleanly. Once everything looks right, you'll have a simple calendar created directly inside your Confluence page. This approach is useful for planning schedules, tracking events, or organizing team activities in a format everyone can view. Thanks for following along, and that's how to create a calendar in Atlassian Confluence.